me, Sushma.
It's me, Anika.
Do you guys have this magic science kit but don't know how to use it? You're in luck because we're going to be doing one experiment from this kit.
Yeah.
So let's get started. We're gonna take all of the stuff that we need. First, we're gonna tell you guys what we're gonna do from this kit. We're gonna be doing the wizard wand from this kit.
Yeah.
So for the wizard wand, we'll need this. We'll need the magic wand, but not now, so we'll keep that on the side. We will need these jars so that we can keep the ingredients inside. We'll also need some of these powders. We will need the cross-linked powder. It's called the cross-linked powder. And we'll also need something that you guys love. This. We'll also need the color tablet. So first, and also these are from your kit, but some of the stuff are not from your kit. So you will need some water and some spoons. So take the water,
Pour it in each one.
no, okay. Don't pour it all the way to full, to the top. All the way to this line. And I'm gonna be making one, so I'm gonna pour some for me. Oh yeah, baby. Now let's close the water bottle so that nothing happens. Now is the fun part because we get to add our coloring. Is this the coloring? Yeah, this is, we need to get our color tablet opened. And this is how the color tablet is gonna look like. So we're gonna open the color tablet. And I'm gonna let Anika pick a color. Let me get some red. The red is good. I'm gonna take the blue. Now what we're gonna do is pour it in the water. So let's get started. Whoa! This is how it looks. That's the red one. The red is really going. That's the blue one. Now to make this a little faster, we're gonna put our caps on. We're gonna take our tubes and shake it a bit. Shake it, shake, shake.
Whoa, look at mine.
Look at this tablet, guys.
Guys, look at
smaller
mine.
and smaller. I like this color.
I love this color.
Now I think that's enough. Look, see how it kind of got small, the tablet? Now we need to wait until the tablet gets small. So, we're just gonna wait. Ooh, this is a bright red, right?
Yeah. And then the blue is very bright. We have kind of these tablets,
is almost kind of
but
gone.
we have
See
more
how
of
it
them.
is?
See, it is red. The red one is very cool because it's too dark and too
See
light.
her tablet. Oh, her tablet is almost gone. The color is
Almost.
beautiful.
Let's see yours. Yours is almost gone, but not that much.
Well, guys, so I'm going to talk about this thing while we wait for that.
Yep.
Now, this thing is called the cross-linked collector coupler. It's called the cross-linked. I'm just going to call it the cross-linked. So it's kind of like, you know how crystals are? It's kind of like crystal shapes, white, but much smaller. So we're going to put them on in just, I guess we're going to put them on right now, maybe. Okay. So that's why we got our spoons. We're going to take our spoons, we're going to take a little bit of this and keep pouring until the spoon is full, and then we're going to put it inside our
jar.
blue and red water. This part might get a little messy. See how it kind of looks like gems? Put one whole thing. Okay, Anika, this is so hard. Here, why don't you use the excess that fell?
Wait, no.
Okay, pour a little. See how it kind of looks like this. Now we're going to pour it inside our tube. So let's get opening it. Oh, this is... Before I open the tube, I just want to show you guys the tablet. It's like totally gone. Almost totally gone.
Well, let's add it.
Welcome back, guys! It's been 1 hour, and this is how our experiment looks. Look at this blue.
This is red. The red looks like lava.
The blue looks like
Ice.
water or ice, and these are the elements: fire and ice. So now that we have waited for 1 hour, we're gonna take our magic wand.
Wow.
We already put it in the other side, the cap, but we still didn't put it in the other side because we need to fill it up with this.
Yep.
So we're gonna start filling. First, I'm gonna fill mine.
Okay. Let me have this.
Guys, before I fill it, I want to tell you guys something. So remember, we only fill the water up to here, but now it's all the way to the top. That's weird or crazy. Now I'm gonna put mine's like, I'm gonna hold it like this.
And then I can push it.
Yeah. Okay.
And put it down. Oh my
Look
God.
at that, guys. Okay, push it in.
Push it soft.
Make sure you do it a little by little. Put that in.
Okay.
There. Now I'm gonna put this one.
Whoa.
Look, that's turning fab. Oh, it's coming!
Oh my God.
I'm only gonna fill half of mine, cause
Sometimes you can fill a lot. Sometimes it grows a lot, but sometimes not.
I think
everything.
this is enough.
No, it's not. We
Yes,
have to make
it
it
is.
bigger. Okay, it's time
Now
to
it's time for my sister to add hers up. I think we'll need a little bit much more. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Guys, I'm just gonna make you guys take a look at the first color that we have added. Blue. Now it's time to add some
red lava.
Keep it down a little. Keep it down a little.
Now let's pour it, guys.
Anika. Okay. She's gonna pour it while I do this part. Because this part is the hard part, if you don't know. Pour it.
Look at this lava.
It's so pretty.
Wow. Uh-oh. Maybe
You'll need to have control at this part.
Oh no, there's some in your hand.
Keep doing it.
Wow.
Wonder how this is gonna turn out. Just need a little bit more. And that's enough.
And that's it. We need some more.
Guys, look at this. It's so beautiful. Since we added 2 colors, we added the 2 colors in one. Now it's time to add the cap. So, when you're adding the cap, do it slowly. Just push it like that, slowly by slowly, until you get everything good. And I did it. Look at this, guys.
It's so amazing. Lava cold.
Look at the middle. It's like purple.
If we mix it with all of them, it will turn something color. But this is awesome than the other color.
Well, guys, abracadabra, we made our wizard wand. But since we had 2 colors, we did double. And guys, before we end this video, I just wanted to tell you guys, just in case, that after you're done playing with this, wash your hands. Because, you know, it's made from chemicals. And also, don't eat it. Even though it looks like yummy jelly, don't eat it because it's still made from chemicals. And thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn the notification bell. See you guys later. Bye. Wizard wand, double side.